Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So I am starting a book review. So when I started searching for books, I could only see the inside of books that other people were showing on their YouTube channel. So I thought if I did a book review of like junk journal style or crafting use for books, then you could see the inside of every book. I decided I was going to start this part of my channel where I do a book review. I'll give you size, author, like the paper, how it's bound, the pictures, the illustrations, everything about the book. So then if you like it for your crafting, you could go search on eBay or Thrift Books or Amazon or your thrift store and start looking for these types of books. So I just found it frustrating when I was like looking for books that you can't see what the inside looks like. And most of where books are advertised, they don't show you the inside. A couple times I think I've been on Amazon and there may be like 3 or 4 pages that they show just to give you an idea. That's great, but not all the books are like that. So I thought I would start this series and it's going to be all different types of books for junk journaling. So I'm going to start this one. I'm not going to hardly talk at the beginning of these new series. I'm just going to explain this first one, how I'm getting started doing the book reviews. So then every video will just be a short video, 5-10 minutes, however long it takes to go through the books and talk about it. And that'll be it. Not really any chit chat or things like that. It's more or less for you to see the insides of the book and see if it's something you want to search for or try to find. Okay, so I have Muriel Foster's Fishing Day Diary. This actually comes in a box. Okay. Here's the back of the box. Okay, so obviously this is a fishing book. And let's take measurements. So the box measures 11 inches by 5.5 almost. All right. Now I did find this one online. I seen this on another YouTube channel where somebody had bought it on a haul. And for me, if you know me, I do lots of nature journals, cabin, cottage, up north type journals. So I wanted to purchase this basically for myself to be my next junk journal for my cabin. Okay, so again, the book itself measures 10 in a little over 10.5 by 5. It is a long, narrow book. It has a twill fabric, so it's not a shiny book, it's a fabric covered spine. There's the spine of it. Fabric covered book, I mean. So I don't know if I'll be able to get the entire book in view because this is such a long book, but let me see if I can for the most part. Okay. And I don't want to zoom out too far, so maybe if I angle it. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is copyright 1980, Patricia King. It's published by Penguin Studio. And the paper is like a matte, really thick paper. But look at all of like the daily, I'm going to zoom in just so you can see a little bit better on some of these pages. So look how she recorded all of these, her fishing trips, remarks, pictures. It's got like the handwriting. There's waterfowl. Beautiful illustrations. Different animals. Okay, I'm going to zoom back out now so you can see the whole thing. Okay. Beautiful moth. There's a dog. Fish. Wildlife. Here's a Dundonial total for 1916. Some lily pads. It looks like, you know, her descriptions of her fishing trips. So, I mean, it's basically, you know, a diary. It is just so cool. I love the thin, long style of this book. So that's why I decided that I wanted to buy it for myself. So I will flip through it. I'm going page by page so that you can see this. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Look at that. Okay. I'll keep going here. Just an absolute neat book. There's color pages. Look at that dragonfly. I really love the columns over here with the writing in it. Her descriptions of the weather, what lures she used, what she saw. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm just so thrilled with this book. So if you like doing nature or, you know, cabin, wildlife, fishing journals, this is a must-have book. I'm almost to the end. Beautiful end paper. Okay, so this book would easily be, you know, easily you can fold these pages in half because it's definitely long enough to do that. Or unless you have a long journal, then you would have a long page. Okay, it is sewn in signatures, so you would be able to find the center and cut the string. So let me show you. So here you go. This is another great reason for this book, is here are the strings that you can easily cut and the whole page will come out. Another fantastic plus about this book. So Muriel Foster's Fishing Diary. Definitely recommend this book. All right, so let me know if you have any questions on this book review. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye.